Hello everyone. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on writing the Software Requirements Specification or SRS for 510K submissions. If you are developing a medical device with software, a well-structured SRS is essential for regulatory approval. Today, I'll walk you through why it's important, what to include, and how to structure it to comply with FDA regulations and IEC 62304. IEC 62304 is the international standard for medical device software development, and the FDA aligns closely with its expectations. This standard classifies software into three safety classes based on risk. They are Class A, no injury, Class B, non-serious injury, and Class C, serious injury or death. Similarly, the FDA characterizes medical devices into Class 1, 2, and 3 based on risk as well. Your SRS should align with your software's classification and incorporate necessary risk control measures. Additionally, ISO 14971 is a key international standard for risk management that the FDA follows. It outlines best practices for identifying, analyzing, and mitigating software-related risks. An SRS defines the software requirements and serves as the foundation for development, testing, and the regulatory submissions. It works alongside with other key documents, such as the system design document, the development and management plan documents, verification and verification plan, so on and so forth. Clear structured documentation is a critical requirement for both FDA and IEC 62304. A poorly written SRS can lead to delays in regulatory approval or even rejection. Getting this right from the start streamlines your entire submission process. Next, I'll walk you through key elements of an SRS using a real-life example that I have worked on from start to finish. So here is the screenshot of the table of contents of my SRS document. A complete SRS typically includes these following sections: the scope, the software description, some references. This can be both internal and external, some definitions, and section 5 and 6 are the meat of the document. They are the requirement specifications, which are the high level, and the breakdown design specifications. Next, let's take a closer look at each of the requirements. Here is an example of the functional requirement. Notice how the requirements are written in a clear, testable, and traceable manner. We have its traceability to the main requirement, and this requirement ID will also be referenced in future documents, such as the risk management and the verification and the validation plan. Similarly, here is an example of the interface requirement. It also has a traceability, its own ID, so we can reference later for other documents. And finally, here is the example for installation and the serviceability requirement. Again, each requirement will be linked to other documents, such as the risk management, verification and validation plans, etc. Many submissions get delayed due to common mistakes, such as writing vague, non-testable requirements, or lack of traceability between requirements and risk management, and failing to address regulatory expectations. Here are some tips for writing an effective SRS. Use structured templates to maintain consistency, to ensure traceability between requirements, risk management, and testing. And keep requirements clear, concise, and testable to facilitate verification and validation. That wraps up this guide on writing an SRS for 510K submissions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content on regulatory affairs and medical devices. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. See you in the next video. Bye.